Bullish ETH value forecast is $1,294.07 to $2,104.16. Ethereum cost could likewise reach $1,300 soon. Bearish ETH cost expectation for 2022 is $1,079.13. Ethereum current market status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of Ethereum is $1,215 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,848,564,172 at the hour of composing. In any case, ETH has expanded by almost 0.8% as of now. Besides, Ethereum has a coursing supply of 120,514,577 ETH. As of now, Ethereum exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Kraken, and Bitstamp. What is Ethereum? Ethereum, known as Ether, is the local cryptographic money of Ethereum. This second-age blockchain was sent off in 2015. Its local crypto coin, Ether, was sent off through an underlying coin offering in August 2014. The whole Ethereum network is energized by Ether. Since its send-off, the blockchain-based programming stage capabilities as a possible platform for a few other crypto tokens, DeFi conventions, and various decentralized applications. Hence, Ethereum is viewed as the world PC. The brilliant agreements are coded programs that execute independently with pre-characterized conditions on Ethereum. These savvy contracts are conveyed and executed by means of the Ethereum Candy Machine. Ethereum will change to the evidence of stake agreement through the consolidation overhaul. At first, the Ethereum network was based on the high-energy serious evidence of work since its send-off. From 2020, the Ethereum designers have started planning for the POW2POS change. The union update is set for September 15. After this change, the Ether, which was an inflationary symbolic, will change over into a deflationary token. Ethereum value expectation 2022. Ethereum stands firm on the second footing on CoinGecko at this moment. ETH cost expectation 2022 is made sense of beneath with an everyday time period. The above graph of ETH laid a plummeting triangle design. This example is in many cases viewed as a quality of a negative pattern. It is shaped by the upper pattern line that interfaces the highs and a level pattern line associating lows combines to frame a triangle. On the off chance that the cost activity penetrates the lower support level, the negative pattern would be maintained. For the most part, a slipping triangle design shows the inversion of an upturn or the continuation of the downtrend. Dealers definitely pay special attention to a critical breakout point. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of ETH might tumble to $1,173.92. Ethereum backing and opposition levels. The diagram underneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Ethereum. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, ETH could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $2,104.16. Likewise, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Ethereum could dive to nearly $1,079.13, a negative sign. Ethereum value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Ethereum is displayed in the outline beneath. Right now, the RVOL of ETH lies underneath the end line, demonstrating frail members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Ethereum is displayed in the graph above. Right now, ETH has entered a negative state. Hence, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of ETH whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength record of the ETH is 39.72. This implies that Ethereum is in an oversold state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of ETH might happen in the forthcoming days. Along these lines, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Ethereum value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record of Ethereum. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Ethereum. As of now, the ADX of ETH lies in the scope of 41.66 and subsequently, it demonstrates major areas of strength for it. The above diagram additionally addresses the general instability record of Ethereum. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of ETH lies under 50, demonstrating low unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Ethereum is at 39.72, consequently affirming a potential sell signal. The underneath outline shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ethereum. From the above graph, we can decipher ETH as moving in a comparable pattern to BTC. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC builds, the cost of ETH likewise increments. Additionally, when the cost of BTC diminishes, the cost of ETH diminishes. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Ethereum could most likely achieve $1,500 by 2023. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Ethereum could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ETH could revitalize to hit $1,700 by 2024. Ethereum Value Forecast 2025. If Ethereum supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, ETH would energize to hit $1,900. Ethereum Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Ethereum supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, ETH would energize to hit $2,100. Ethereum Value Expectation 2027. In the event that Ethereum supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, ETH would energize to hit $2,300. Ethereum Value Expectation 2028. On the off chance that Ethereum holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market, by driving critical cost rallies, ETH would hit $2,500 in 2028. Ethereum Value Forecast 2029. In the event that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Ethereum, it would observe significant spikes. ETH could hit $2,700 by 2029. Ethereum Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent headways in the Ethereum biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into ETH for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Thus, Ethereum could hit $2,900 by 2030. And, with consistent enhancements in the Ethereum organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for ETH. Thus, the bullish value expectation of Ethereum in 2022 is $2,104.16. Then again, the negative value expectation of Ethereum cost expectation for 2022 is $1,079.13. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to the Ethereum biological system, the presentation of ETH would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $4,878.26 very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach $1,300 assuming the financial backers accept that ETH is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Ethereum? Ethereum or Ether is the local digital money of Ethereum. Ethereum is a second-age blockchain stage that sent off in 2015. Ether was sent off in 2014. 2. Where might you at any point buy Ethereum? Ethereum has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Kraken, and Bitstamp. 3. Will Ethereum come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and the